Ever felt like the universe is whispering your deepest desires back at you? You're not crazy. That, my friends, is the law of attraction in action. It's not magic, it's power. The power to shape your reality by harnessing the energy of your thoughts and intentions. But here's the catch. Intention without action is just a wish. That's where understanding your personal power comes in. It's the fuel that ignites your desires and turns them into tangible results. Think of it like this. You set an intention, plant the seed, but your personal power, the nurturing sunlight and water, is what makes it blossom into reality. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of intention setting. We'll unravel the cause and effect mechanism, unveil practical tips to unleash your inner power, and equip you with the tools to manifest your wildest dreams. Okay, let's begin. We've just talked about the spark of intention, but every fire needs a fuel to truly blaze. That fuel in the world of manifestation is belief. But belief isn't just blind optimism. It's a carefully nurtured force, built on validation and nourished by unwavering faith. Imagine you're building a sandcastle. Each grain of sand, each meticulous placement adds to its stability. Validation is like finding smooth, perfect pebbles. They solidify your belief, reminding you that your dream is achievable. Maybe an encouraging word from a loved one, a synchronistic opportunity, or even a personal milestone affirms your path, reinforcing the foundations of your castle. But beyond validation, we need an unshakable faith, a core belief that your desires don't just exist in the ether, they're within reach. Think of it as the mortar that binds the pebbles together. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges, but rather approaching them with the confidence that you have the tools and resilience to overcome them. This unwavering faith creates a potent energy field, attracting the resources and opportunities needed to manifest your dreams. The power of belief unfolds like a snowball effect. Every positive thought, every action aligned with your intention strengthens your belief. Imagine your sandcastle growing taller, more intricate, with each positive step. This momentum attracts more supportive experiences, building an even stronger belief, creating a virtuous cycle that propels you closer to your manifestation. But what about the whispers of doubt? Remember, building a sandcastle requires constant vigilance against the tide. Doubt is like a crashing wave, capable of eroding your belief and washing away your progress. When doubt creeps in, remember the foundations you've laid. Recall the validations, the moments of unwavering faith, the progress you've made. Use these as anchors, reminding yourself of the power you hold. Negative thinking, like strong winds, can also weaken your castle. Dwelling on what-ifs and focusing on limitations only feeds the tide of doubt. Instead, practice gratitude for the small wins, the positive signs, and the journey itself. This positive energy strengthens your resolve and keeps your manifestation castle standing tall. Remember, the universe communicates. After setting your intention, pay attention to initial reflections, a chance encounter, a recurring symbol, a song with lyrics that resonate. These are like tiny pebbles the universe throws your way, acknowledging your desire and guiding you on your path. However, manifestation isn't instantaneous. Be patient. There's often a time lag between the seed of intention and the blossoming of desire. Trust the process and keep your antennae on high alert. Notice synchronicities, unexpected opportunities, and even seemingly insignificant coincidences. These are the universe's way of saying, "I'm listening, keep going." Building belief is a continuous journey, not a one-time destination. There will be moments of doubt, strong winds, and crashing waves. But with steadfast validation, unwavering faith, and a positive mindset, you can build a manifestation castle that withstands any storm. Now that we've established the crucial role of belief, let's translate theory into practice with a law of attraction experiment. This hands-on approach helps you master the art of intention setting and witness the power of belief firsthand. Think of this experiment as a guided climb up the mountain of manifestation. Each step equips you with the tools and confidence to reach the summit. Step 1. Clarify your intention. Start with a small, achievable desire, something unrelated to major life changes or dependencies on others. This minimizes external factors and helps build confidence in your abilities. Choose a manageable time frame, a week or two, to keep your focus sharp and reduce frustration. Now, visualize your desire. See yourself enjoying it, feeling the emotions associated with it. Engage all your senses. What do you hear, smell, touch? The more vivid your visualization, the stronger your energy field becomes. Step 2. Add specificity. Don't just wish for a new book. Instead, specify the genre, author, or unique feature you desire. This precision sends a clearer message to the universe and acts as a validation tool. You might intend to find a specific book in a thrift store or see an ad for it online. These secondary intentions become stepping stones on your manifestation journey. Step 3. Track your journey. Keep a manifestation journal. Record your daily visualizations, affirmations, and any related occurrences, however seemingly insignificant. Maybe you see a book cover with similar colors, overhear a conversation about the author, or stumble upon a related article. These are signs, the universe's way of acknowledging your progress. Remember, manifestation can take many forms. Be open to unexpected connections. Step 4. The double intention. This final step takes your experiment to a whole new level. Instead of focusing solely on your initial desire, set a double intention. This involves incorporating an action you'll take towards your goal, aligned with your belief in its manifestation. For example, you might intend to find your desired book and take a trip to the library. This creates a powerful synergy. Your action demonstrates unwavering belief, while the universe delivers your desire in its own unique way. Observe the timing and form of your double intentions manifestation. Did you find the book at the library or receive it as a gift shortly after your visit? This reinforces your understanding of the universe's communication and strengthens your belief in its interconnectedness with your intentions. As you witness your double intention bloom into reality, a wave of joy washes over you. This isn't just about acquiring a new book, it's a confirmation of your creative power. You planted a seed of intention, nurtured it with belief, and now you hold the tangible fruit of your manifestation. Take a moment to bask in this accomplishment, for it fuels your journey onward. Another crucial element is detachment. Clinging desperately to your desire creates tension, blocking its flow. Trust that your intention is planted, being nurtured by the universe, and will blossom in its own perfect timing. Let go of the need to control the outcome, focusing on gratitude for the journey itself. Finally, understand that pacing is key. Don't overwhelm yourself with overly ambitious goals before mastering smaller ones. Build your confidence gradually. Experiment with different manifestation techniques and find what resonates with you. This steady growth in belief becomes the fuel that propels you towards larger manifestations. So, dear adventurer, continue your climb. With each intention you set, each belief you nurture, and each step you take, you move closer to the peak. There you have it, the key to unlocking your manifestation potential. Remember, belief is the fuel, intention is the seed, and action is the water that nourishes your desires. So plant your seeds, nurture them with unwavering faith, and watch your dreams blossom into reality. Did you find this video helpful? Hit that like button and share it with your friends who need a little magic in their lives. And if you're ready to embark on this transformative journey with me, subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips, inspiring stories, and powerful techniques to unlock your true potential. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch your dreams take flight.